To do well in poker, to get, say, the 4 kings in your hand, you need to be familiar with the deuces, because deuces are wild. At this point, you would have each deuce initialed. You can talk about marked cards. You can say anything. We'll take the kings and sneak them into 4 separate pockets. Now the deuces, again, are wild. I'll show you how wild they are. That's the first one. Jumps, changes places, or maybe the deuces now look like the kings. One at a time. Now, if this was a poker game, it would be the deuces that looked like the kings. But since I'm a magician, I will show you that the deuces actually have changed places with each of the kings. So that's another deuce. And of course, deuces are wild, and I'll show you how wild they are, because in reality, these have just been masquerading as the kings. And the kings are actually still in the pocket. Now that's what we call an illusion. An illusion of the eye and the mind. Now we'll do that again, but this time we'll make it happen for real. We have the kings and the deuces out. Watch the deuces. The deuces are now gone. And then, believe it or not, even though I flashed, are now in the pockets. So let's do this a little bit more visibly so you can see the mystery happen in open air. There's the kings and the deuces, which we'll put deuces and kings separate. Now, they say stop. It's about halfway. We'll just mark that spot off. Now watch the deuce. Remember, deuces are wild. We'll just switch. If I rub the kings with the deuces, or the deuce, something miraculous happens. Now remember, you cut here. We'll just take out the random cards. Doesn't matter what they are. And we'll switch with the king. Now if we rub those random cards, they too become kings. Now, you pick these random cards, so you take the 10, and they rub, and of course they change to 10s as well. And that's the full routine. A techless multiplex reset.